Witness a day at Parason, where our family meets and pledges to uphold Parason's values of integrity, innovation, and sustainable development. We believe that development starts from within. By collaborating and finding solutions together. Caring for one another. Assisting each other. Empowering society. Enjoying what we do. And ultimately doing it all for you. Our Parason family is passionate, aiming high toward our goals, respecting individuals, thinking analytically, maintaining safety, and taking ownership to represent our national pride. Together, with a commitment to fulfill the trust bestowed upon us, we strive to make a positive impact every day.